Hello and welcome to our ModelCenter 2025 R2 What's New presentation. My name's Scott. I'm one of the product marketing managers here at Ansys, and I'll be taking you through today's What's New. 2025 R2 brings three key features for Ansys ModelCenter. The tool is now SysML v2 ready, being able to import SysML v2 requirements expressions and sync ModelCenter with any SysML v2 model in one click. There are significant UI and UX enhancements for connectivity in ModelCenter and fast search and filtering capability in the folders. And then general updates for ModelCenter include lightweight unified installer, and it is now directly embedded in Ansys SAM Enterprise to bring the power of MBSE to the system architecture model from Ansys. Here's our first demonstration. In 2025 R2, ModelCenter is now SysML v2 ready. Directly import SysML v2 expressions into ModelCenter for requirements verification. Bring the benefit of the improved description and traceability of the requirements from SysML v2 with structured objects that have formal definitions and metadata. Our second demonstration in the latest release is you can now do an instant one-click sync to update a change that is made in the system architecture model, and this could be a brand new attribute or an edit to an existing one, and bringing that directly into ModelCenter MBSE. This eliminates the need to make any manual edits in the software, reducing potential errors and keeping both tools in sync. The final demonstration is about how we're better organizing analysis in ModelCenter with an enhanced UI, UX, user interface, user experience, bringing a new folder structure for improved search and filtering capability. Instantly find architecture elements or execution steps, especially useful for large and complex models. Well, that's what's new for Ansys ModelCenter in 2025 R2. A quick reminder of what is coming up. We have SysML v2 integration, where you can import SysML v2 expressions for requirements verification. There's an instant one-click sync, keeping the SAM, the system architecture model, and ModelCenter in sync all the way through. MBSE enhancements include an improved folder structure and the ability to quickly locate components across a system, especially useful for large, complex models. And general ModelCenter updates, keeping it modern, with a lightweight installer, integration with the Ansys System Architecture Model Enterprise, and other tools like Thermal Desktop. We hope you make the most of the 2025 R2 new features in ModelCenter. Thank you very much.